Well, this morning's hunt's going to be right up there at that kid's playground. If I remember right, there's just wood chips in there. There you go. It's a 12 or 13. It shows it up. There it is. Oh yeah. Little part of a little diamond necklace. 22. 2021. Probably that would normally be just a penny, so we'll see what we got here. There it is. There's a penny. What I just covered up and got a 22 signal right in here. There it is. It's a penny. Okay, I think I can see this. Oh, there you go. Part of a necklace, huh? Shows up better that way. It's kind of pretty, huh? It's not real heavy. Ooh. There's the other side. Very nice. Very nice find. This could be a dime. I moved up out of the playground. I'm going to finish up here. Right here we got a penny anyways. Yeah, we may have some multiple coins here. There it is. Oh, looks like I don't know. Oh, it's a couple of coins together. A couple of pennies. Stuck together. Okay, that's going to be a wrap for this morning here in the little playgrounds. I went all through this one here. It takes a long time. I spent about an hour and 50, hour and a half here this morning, and well, I think I found a couple of pennies over here, but over there I did okay and a little bit of jewelry. And when I finished up, I started to walk around out here and found a couple of pennies in a dig there, but this grass is too rough. At any rate, this is what I got today. There's only trash, a tinfoil. This was just luck. There's nothing with it. It 7 pennies, and this little diamond thing here, and this real pretty necklace here, piece that I found. So I'll Google it all a little bit later and find out what it's worth, if anything. So we'll, I guess, see you on the next time.